till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, won't back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down. Hey, swing those.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, as you maybe know from my previous videos, I have bought a few days ago 2 pairs of old, budget, cheap, lightweight speaker boxes from 80s. These are the Card AP100 and these are the UNIVERSUM C1200. They were produced for the Quelle markets, Quelle, and I bought it also for the reason that on the backside label is 600 watts power, music power, nonsense. Yes, the boxes are not in perfect condition. I will not recommend them to the nice living room, but anywhere in garage and so on. They can be used. They have also the front grills. Textile is damaged here. The knobs, wooden knobs, are okay on this one. The second one, here is one missing. And the textile also not in good condition. For me was very interesting that these 2 speakers are a decoration only, nothing inside. But the bass speakers are in pretty nice condition. The cone surroundings, it is polyurethane, and it's usually by such old boxes damaged, but in this case no. Here is the surrounding, I think rubber, and here I cannot see it, and this is paper. So let's try the sound and watch my next video, because I will dismount the bass speaker and see what's inside. It will be for me also interesting, but if I will do it in this video it will be too long, so watch my next video. And now let's try the sound. I receive always questions which music I use, so regarding the copyright I use only the YouTube library music only, and the bar with little bass is the track number 3, motorbike. So let's switch to the 3. Left channel, right channel, stereo. So I will not put them in my living room, but anywhere in garage it can be used. All speakers are working, and the sound is evaluated by yourself. It can be used in garage. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.